Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to compute expanded withholding tax. Expanded withholding tax is an advanced collection of income tax on certain payments. It helps governments collect taxes throughout the year, rather than waiting for annual filings. Understanding this process is crucial for both payers and payees to ensure compliance. We will cover the essential steps to accurately calculate and remit these taxes, helping you navigate your tax obligations effectively and avoid any potential penalties. The next step involves determining the tax base, which is the specific amount subject to withholding. First, you need to consolidate all income payments that fall under expanded withholding tax regulations. Then, it is crucial to deduct any allowable expenses or, if applicable, the value-added tax from the gross payment. For instance, if a payment is 112,000 units including VAT, you would first remove the 12% VAT to find the base amount. This net figure is what you will use for your calculation. Now, let's apply the correct withholding tax rate. These rates are not uniform. They vary significantly based on the nature of the income payment and the payee's status. For example, professional fees might be subject to a 5% or 10% rate, while rental payments could be 5%. Payments to contractors might be 2%. You must multiply your calculated tax base by the specific rate applicable to your transaction. This step directly determines the amount of tax to be withheld. The final stage involves remitting the withheld tax and ensuring proper documentation. After computing the tax, you must prepare the required tax forms, such as a monthly remittance form. Then, remit the calculated tax amount to the appropriate government agency by the specified deadline. Finally, issue a certificate of tax withheld to the payee. This document serves as proof of the tax deducted and can be credited against their annual income tax liability. Timely compliance is key to avoiding penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.